Last week I uploaded a volatility 75 strategy, and within that video I have shown you how I grew my account from $20 up to $30 with just a single trade. Now today I'm going to show you the same strategy, but only now how it works on gold and how it helped me grow my account from $30 up to $50 with just 2 trades. What you are seeing on the screen right now is the first trade that I took last week on 13th of September. On observing query on the screen, I'm sure that you can see that I took this trade mainly because the indicators were already showing me buy signals to take. If you are to use this strategy, make sure that you click the video link on the description below so that you get this strategy settings and all of the rules that goes with it. Again, make sure that you watch out for the areas that could act as potential areas of support or resistance. You see on the screen that I marked my areas that I expect the price to resist from going up as soon as the price reaches there. And to no surprise, as soon as the price reached the marked area, it started going down, taking me out of this particular first trade of the week at break even. Now this took me to the second trade of the week, taken on the same date as the previous one. Just look at the screen, how just by a single trade with a single position, I got my tiny small account from 30 USD up to 44 USD. Again, watch this trade very carefully, very closely, and see that the trade was entered as soon as I got the indications from the indicator to buy this trade and not otherwise. Now if you're still new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button to keep learning Forex techniques from this channel. Extra tip that you should put in your mind is that do not ever overtrade if you're not willingly to over lose. And it is why you see for this small account only one position is opened, although according to the leverage that my broker gave me, I was able to open even up to 5 positions, but I did not, simply because of my very strict risk management policy. And it is this policy that makes me to be a very disciplined trader even when I'm trading on a fairly large account. Having said so, let's get to the third trade taken on the same week as the previous shown ones and see for yourself how I turned 44 USD to almost 55 USD again with just a single trade. While looking on the screen, I'm sure that you can see clearly for yourself why I entered my buy positions on this particular trade right now. Now friends, please listen up. If you want to join my WhatsApp group of Forex signals for free, please follow for more details on the description below so that we may grow our accounts together. Having said so much, let me give you some space to observe carefully how I manage this trade, hoping that you learn a thing or two. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and turn the notification bell icon on to be the first to view any of my uploads. Thank you for watching and bye.